Hi everyone, welcome back to my video series on automating cryptocurrency monitoring for free. In the last video, we saw how we updated the macro to loop through a list of coins and capture the the sell price. Now today, what we want to do is to take what we capture and put it into an output file. And to start, let's open up our macro again, and we go to this step where we need to first create an output file, and in the output file we want to store the coin name and the current sell price. So what we're doing here is we are storing a title called coin into a special variable called CSV line. And you know it's a special variable because it starts with a exclamation mark. Now coin is a title, and this next column that we are putting in is also a title, and we put that title as current sell price. Now when we store values into that CSV line variable, what UI.Vision does is it appends essentially adds a column every time we add something into a CSV line. And now that we have added the two titles, we want to save it into a file called coin output. Okay, now let's take a look at our CSV tab. There's only one file. And what we want to do is play the macro up to this point just to see what happens. Okay, that's done. Let's stop the run, and you'll see that a new file has been created called coin output. And you'll see that we have added that two titles there. So coin and current sell price separated by a comma. So that is what UI.Vision does when you add things into the CSV line. All right, now that we have that file, we have the title. Let's go on further in our macro, and we want to capture the name of the coin. So we know the last time when we read that coin CSV file, the coin name is stored in the column 1 special variable. And we also ran the macro, and we captured the current sell price of that coin in a variable called current sell price. So let's now use that store command again. And we are going to store the name of the coin. In this case, that would be from column 1. Special variable column 1, and we want to save it into the special variable CSV line. Okay, because that's the first column, and the second column we are going to store the current sell price variable, the value in current sell price, and we want to save it into CSV line as well. And lastly, what we're going to do is to flush that line into the same file, the coin output file. Okay. The value field is not used in the CSV save command. So, okay, let's delete off that original file. Let's play it again and see what happens. Okay, so you see the file has been created. And now it's going through that loop that's looping that over that input file that we created in the last video. And every time it goes through that loop, it will then capture the sell price, and now it will store it into that output file. Let's speed up the run a little so that we can get to the end and explore the output file. Okay, as you can see here, essentially we have captured the coin names, and we have captured the price as well of the coins. So we've covered quite a lot over the last few videos. It might be good for us to just take a step back to see where we are and what was our original goal. So as you can see here, this was our original goal. We wanted the macro to be able to read from our journal of transactions, and then get the current sell price so that we can calculate the difference between our buy price and sell price, so that we can calculate the percentage, and then send that out in an email to ourselves to show us the difference. So what we've done so far is to set the stage. We have a macro that can loop through a file, output it into an output file. But in the next sections, we're going to have to go back to our original input file, put in additional information such as the buy price, so that when we capture the current sell price, we can then calculate the percentage. So there's going to be quite a fair bit of changes that we need to do to our macro, and we'll do that in the next video. So be sure to like and subscribe to this video so that you get notified when the next video comes up. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.